Hello loves, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in today. Guys, in today's recipe we'll be making some plantain frittata, okay? Here are all the ingredients we'll be using for this recipe. We'll have some egg, our plantain, which is the main ingredients of the day. You can add any other vegetables that you wish to use, and here are the seasonings we'll be using. You can customize your seasonings based on how you like it, but however, I'll list all the ingredients I use in the description box, okay? So first thing first, you want to clean and cut up your plantain into your desired sizes and deep fry that in a hot oil. Once the plantain gets to your desired color, go ahead and take it out of the oil. In another pan, drizzle in some oil. You can use any oil of choice. I like to add a little bit of sesame seed oil to mine because I love the flavor that it adds. Now add your onions, some ginger and garlic, and stir fry that for about a minute. Then you're going to add in some chopped tomatoes and continue to stir fry until it looks just like this. Then go ahead to pop in every other vegetable that you're using. I'm using some sweet corn. Now depending on how hard the vegetables are, that is the order you should be adding them in, okay? Now I went ahead to add my carrots, my green pepper, and some red bell pepper, and I continue to stir fry for a while, and then you're going to season. I'm adding some salt, chicken flavor bouillon, some curry, thyme, onions powder, and garlic powder. I also added some paprika, but you can add any seasoning that you would like to add, okay? Now mix everything nicely well. Then in a big bowl, you want to crack in your eggs and whisk until they are nicely mixed. In here we are going to transfer all these nice sauteed vegetables into our eggs, okay? Now if you're adding some green onions, this is the perfect time to add that, okay? I wanted it to be spicy, so I went ahead to add some blended pepper, and I went ahead to mix everything nicely well. Okay, now in the pot we used to saute our vegetables, you're going to add more oil and pour all the egg goodness into the pan and top up with your plantain. You can layer them and line them up however you want. Just make it look pretty as you are. Okay, once that is done, I decided to be a little bit fancy, so I added some grated carrots on top just to add more pop of color to this. I also layered some green pepper on it. Now this is optional, I just decided to do it. Now you want to cover the pan and allow that to steam, and the top is not cooking, so I decided to flip it, and that ruined my design, but that's okay. Now you want to flip it just like I did and turn it back into the pan and continue to cook. If you notice, when I flipped it, the down part has burnt a little bit, and I decided to wash my pan and continue. And after cooking for like 10 minutes, this is what we have. The plantain frittata is ready. Now cut into your desired sizes and shapes and enjoy this. It's so delicious, trust me guys. If you haven't made this before, you need to give it a try. It's a must try, and this is what our plantain frittata looks like. Now this is another way to add a little bit of touch to your breakfast, or another recipe to add to your breakfast. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.